guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm Nasha Faces, aka Monesha Akman. So guys, today welcome back to my new YouTube videos, and also I wish you a very happy new year and all the adventures you come with on this new year, and also make this new year be better than the last one. For me, I'm hopeful this new year will be better than what I did last year. So guys, as you can see behind me is my fridge. So guys, since I bought it, I've not operated it because after I bought it, it was after Christmas. We had I lost, if some of you follow me on Instagram, I lost my brother, my elder brother. So yeah, we had to go home, do the burial. Now we are back. So for me, I didn't want to actually use it, and then they use the token, and yet I wasn't around for like 2 weeks. But now I'm back. So yes, let's do a review of the fridge. Let me organize with it. Let's see how it's a mini. Let's say a mini review of what I'm going to store, because I'm not done any shopping. So guys, what I bought is something which will make me due for the next 1 day or 2 days. So I thought maybe the things I bought I have to keep on the fridge, because I bought some sandwich, the things you put on the sandwich, and some sausage, and then some ice cream. I love ice cream, so those things I have to put them on the fridge. So I thought, why don't I do a review of this beautiful fridge, my starter fridge. So yeah guys, please enjoy the video. So guys, here's the fridge from where I'm, like, if you can see my reflection there, I'm sitting down so that you can see how it is. That's the fridge it is from down. Please don't mind my pastry, it's unorganized. That's the thing I'll be doing this year. As you can see, the inside, even I've not taken out the stickers. Also here. So let's clean this fridge and organize with me. So guys, you can remove it if you don't want to use it, and then you have this one underneath. The longer parts, you have so for the cooling, this one is when the lights are off. This one can make your fridge to stay for 9 hours without the food going bad. And then you have let's see what's this side. Where for the eggs, you can put them here. Okay, this one I don't know for what, but I'll know later. My liquid dishwash, liquid soap, vinegar, and hot water, but not put so much. You can like, it should be hot but not that hot. But no, I just want to remove any dust. It was here. As you can see guys, there are 2 adjustments on the freezer. So you can either adjust your freezer to be like that, or you can adjust your freezer to be like that. So this one's without the ice cube maker, so it should be like this, and then you can fill in your refrigerator what you want. But now let me show you with the refrigerator, the ice cube maker. So this is the ice cube maker. So how you fix it, like that, and then bring it here, and then that's how it is with the ice cubes maker. So if you don't have so much things to store, you can keep it this one here. So yeah, now let me do everything else. The other thing I want to show you, I did this partition so that my long bottles can fit in there. So let me show you. If I remove this one, and if I remove this one, I keep it here, you see it will be halfway. So that's why I put my partition here, so that my long bottles will fit there. As for the 2 liters, let me go and take my soda and I put it there. The other thing I want to show is this egg tray. So I'll keep it here. And then the cool ice pack for 9 hours, I'll put it here. And then this one is the ice cubes. So when your ice are dry, you just rotate like this, and then they fall down here at this bucket, and then you just serve it, and then you add some more cold water. So you can either keep it here, or you can keep it the other side. Which side is better? Should I keep it this side, or should I keep it this side? I don't know. But yeah, so this is the whole fridge. So let me organize a little bit of the things I have, and then you can see. So here's the fridge that I bought it at Cambodia. So I have if you have seen my vlog, I also bought this TV guard. It's been 2 months now, and it's done its purpose. So I want to connect my fridge guard. Please make sure if you buy a fridge, buy it with a guard. You don't want it to spoil. So that will fit, and it's on. So my fridge is on. I love it because it's not doing any sounds or any. So I have this pan. I'm going to pack them here in this container because I'm alone. Six, so I divide them into 2 parts because I'm all alone, and then I take my filling. So I can eat this 3, or if I want to do one heavy sandwich, I just do like that. So after that, I'm packing them here like with. So this side can be for beef, this side you can add something else, or maybe if you have eaten some sausage, some of remaining, you can add them here. Good to go. So I'm alone, so I cut them into two. Like every 2 days, I'll eat 2 sausages. If you are 5, you can cut them into 5 or 10. It depends with how many pieces you're going to eat. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I take my 2 sausages and I wrap them. Like that. Then I put them in a container. So make sure you store the size you want to use. This is my last piece. So as you can see, this is how I'll pack them starting now, because I always do this when I used to stay at my auntie's place. So when you put them on the freezer, so in the morning you don't have the hassle of removing all the sausages and then you wait for them to defrost. You cut the 2 pieces and then they turn them back at the fridge. With this, you just take your 2 pieces. If it's for a family of 5, you take your 5 pieces and then you just defrost, you fry, and the rest you just return back to the freezer. So for me, this container is going back to the freezer, and see how organized it is. So guys, I'm doing my juice there. So you see, it fits 2 liters soda, 1.5 juice, and then the 1 liter. And then this is my bottle of water. I want it to be cold. So my dispenser is over the water dispenser, so I'll just add later after I finish this video. I'll go and buy. But I wanted to show you how does this handle. So this one can handle like that. So yeah, this how my fridge is. And for the sausage, I've put them here. My ice cream, so you see it has enough space. And if you don't want to use this, you can just remove it and you'll have more spaces. And also I still have some more space here. And you see my whole review of my fridge. So maybe hopefully after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'll do fridge organization where I've buy my grocery shopping and how I will arrange my fridge. So hopefully you love this video. So I'll put my ice cubes here. I'll finish this video tomorrow to see if this one's, when you rotate, the ice cubes comes out. So yeah. So guys, I didn't have to wait until night. It's just now 6:30 and the cubes works. Okay guys, so that's all. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have come to the end. So thank you guys for enjoying the video and supporting me this far. So guys, please, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you've been part of my family, thank you for always supporting me. So bye bye.